Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix any error code for your Prime Video account. So the first one to do is to check your internet connection. Try to turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on again, or if you are using mobile data, just do the same. So the second thing to do is that you are going to restart the app and the device. So if you want to restart the app, you are going to uninstall it and then install it again. But before to do this, just try to restart your device, not the application. And the next thing to do is, if you still have the same issue, you are going to check your App Store or your Play Store and to check if there is any update for the application you didn't use. And the second thing to do is that you go and clear the cache of the application. So you find it in the settings, you just search for the Amazon Prime application and clear the cache. And the last thing to do is try to disable any VPN opened in your phone if you are using, because sometimes it causes issues for the applications. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.